Welcome back. We are continuing with our tutorials. Remember, it's the Department of Information Communication Technology. We are doing the introduction to the ICT for diploma in ICT module 1. Remember, we started on the computer hardware. We said they are categorized as input devices, processing devices, storage devices, and the output devices. We are going to check one by one. So remember, it's hardware category. We also said we have input devices. Let's check and begin with the input devices. They include the keyboard, the mouse, the trackballs, the terminals. So welcome. We are going to begin with the keyboard. So remember, we said there are how many? We have input devices, yeah, as hardware categories. Input devices, we check as processing devices, and we check on the storage devices and the output devices. So we are going to begin with this, where we have the keyboard, the mouse, the trackballs, and the terminals, and the what? The last is the terminals. So we are going to begin with the keyboard one by one. These are the input devices. So we begin with the keyboard. It's the main input of the computer. If you look at my screen, you can see the keyboard up here. So it contains three main type of keys. Remember, in an exam you may be taught to give three main types of key, explaining each. So they have three main type of key. One, they are alphanumeric keys. Alphanumeric keys used to type all alphabet as alphanumeric, all alphabet, numbers, and special cables like this you can see on my screen, and etc. So one is alphanumeric key, all keys. Two, we have special keys. If I'll show you the picture of the keyboard, and I'll show you the special keys such as shift, control, alt, home, and they are used for special function. Shift, control, alt, shift. As we continue, you're going to learn about them. In a keyboard, we have function keys. Function key are F1, F2. They begin from F1 to F9, used to give special command depending on the software used. So we have one. If you're taught to give three main type of keys in a keyboard, you have a numeric key, special key, function key, and you may be taught giving examples. So alphanumeric, you remember, is A, B, C, D, E, and numbers and special symbols like at, percentage, and whatever. Special keys are used for special function, shift, control, alt, home, and function keys. They begin from F1 to F9. So let's check on the keyboard. I think I have the picture of the keyboard. Yeah, this is the keyboard. So we have A. Look at my when you look at my screen, we have A. This is what we call the function key. They used for special function, whereby we have F1, F2, F3, F4. B, we have alphanumeric keys. They begin from A, Z. So remember, they are not categorized as A, B, C, D, but they are mixed. So these are the alphanumeric keys. So controls keys, let's see, as you look from my screen, the control keys are the control key. Remember, I say the control key, not the function key, but the control key. The examples are control, alt, shift, home. This is the C. This one, they are used for special functions, for special purposes. We have D, navigation keys. They are used for navigating, maybe up, down, move mouse. You may decide to not use the mouse but use the keys. So these are the navigation key. The D one, we have E numeric keys. These are in numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 to 8, and that is the keyboard. So I don't know the mouse. The mouse, these are the input devices. This is the basic part of the mouse. Let's check out the basic part of the mouse. So the mouse types, so we have different type of mouse. This we are going to look at the next tutorial. So remember, on this we have checked the keyboard, isn't it? So if you asked about the keyboard and the type of keys in the keyboard, I'm sure you can be able to define all of them. The three main type of key: the alphanumeric key, the special keys, and the function key. So welcome to the next tutorial, whereby we are going to look at the mouse and the different types of mouse. So remember to like, to share, and